I welcome you all to biochemistry series by BCH family. Let's begin. What is biochemistry? Biochemistry is the study of the chemistry of life. So biochemists are scientists that unravel the mysteries behind life processes that take place in cells. So biochemistry is a very interesting field. It's the combination of chemistry and biology. But unlike popular belief, biochemistry is actually an offshoot of organic chemistry or physiological chemistry. Now let's move deep into the study. Now, who brought about the term biochemistry? In the year 1903, there was a scientist whose name was Carl Newberg. You see his picture on the screen. He created the term biochemistry in 1903. Now, there were beliefs that made it difficult to study biochemistry, and one of them was the spontaneous growth. That was what Louis Pasteur disproved using his swan egg experiments. So he proved that spoilage does not occur spontaneously or instantly. It is actually due to exposure to microorganisms in the air. So made us believe that living cells do not just occur on their own. Another theory that has to be disproved was the theory of vitalism, and Louis Pasteur was also a vitalist. It is the belief that the biochemical processes that take place in cell is different from the observed chemical processes that occur outside the cell. Boschner disproved this by carrying out fermentation using yeast extracts. Now, yeast extracts are actually non-living. They're actually non-living cells. So he did that using yeast extracts, proving that biochemical processes can occur outside the cell. And that led to the official birth of biochemistry as we know it today.
A few moments later.
Now we know that elements like nitrogen, carbon, oxygen can combine together to form molecules like water, and they also can combine together to form functional groups like alcohol, ketone, phosphates. Now these molecules can also combine together to form macromolecules, and macromolecules, an example of macromolecules are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acid. Now macromolecules are actually condensation reactions that involve two or more molecules, and they are linked by a bond which we'll call linkages. An example of linkages are ester bonds, disulfide bonds, phosphodiesters, linkages, and the rest of them. So this is where we end today's class.
Goodbye!